Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Back at Farmer John's, as you can see, and we're testing out something new today, so come along for the ride. So guys, like I was saying in the intro there, we're up at Farmer John's. We're just currently in the start hut, and we'll come down today because I want to test out a new device I've got for the camera. So this is a chin mount, a DJI chin mount. I was actually looking at this for a little while, kept messaging people to see if like it'd fit a GoPro in the mount, and eventually I found one on eBay that was like brand new, to be fair. So I thought I'll just order it and hope for the best. So yeah, we ordered it and it fits perfect. So yeah, a great chin mount, and we're going to test it out today. Probably do a couple of runs from the start hut down to maybe shack wrap. We're going to compare, we'll do a couple of chesty runs, standard GoPro Chesty, and then a couple of runs on the chin mount. I'll just show you a clip of it attached to the helmet in a second, and then yeah, we're going to take you guys along for the ride. If you want to throw your comments down below, see what you guys think's best, chin mount or chest mount, let me know. So yeah, and that just clips on. It's a really tight clip, really tight, nice rubber sort of like boots on it, so it protects your helmet and doesn't damage it. But yeah, and then your GoPro just clips on there, and I find it best to have it towards the bottom so the GoPro's upside down. Well, let us know what you think, guys. So yeah, take it along for the ride. So guys, chin mount first, I think we'll go, and then we'll go and get the chesty out of the car and have a couple of runs with that as well, and let us know what you think in the comments. Dropping in. Yo, good job I wasn't doing canyon there, wasn't it? Josh is about somewhere doing a live stream. Yo. Yo. Woo! That is a fun line, that. Fun line. You are, mate. So we'll do a follow cam on this one. We've got Josh in front, still got his brace on his arm, that's why he didn't need a drop. But silly. That was massive then. Yeah. I've got to go and have a word with those. I know, mate, I don't blame you. Go on, you go first. Sit. Yeah. Thank you. Whoa, right behind you, Palmer. No. Yo!
Edwin Central!
Oh no! So, couple of laps to it, chin mount. We'll switch to Chesty, so let me know what you think. Go. Oh, I didn't get it, it's getting a bit windy. Smashed my pedal as well then. Damn. You what, mate?
Gassed.
Woo! Oh, you know you're in front of me now. Whoa, and deep into that then. Went deep. So, bit of a different setting for the outro, but yeah, let us know what you think is best for them camera angles, whether it was the chin mount obviously or the chest mount. I mean, I had a look at the footage last night, so because I'm doing the outro the day after, and I kind of think both have the perks. But yeah, let us know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. See you soon.